Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to episode 6 on AMCO 123 News. Hopefully, you liked that quick little intro. Um, you know, it feels good to be back after 4 weeks off. It's nice to be back, but I will say we will have shows every Monday in the month of December. So today I know is the 1st, so we're gonna go back to Monday starting next week. So it'll be the 7th, 14th, 21st, and then even also the 28th after Christmas. We'll do a little Christmas special. Um, and then after that, we'll take a little time off, and then we'll just get right into our new shows. All right. So, but keep updated on that schedule. I'll let you know when I get that schedule and it's finalized. But, anyways, hello, welcome. Today we are discussing the turkey pardon. We're going to talk about the formal concession that Trump did not give yet. We're going to talk about the COVID-19 increase. We're going to talk about the Mike Tyson exhibition. And then we're going to talk about a new unboxing series that I started. So, why not just hop right into the first story of the day? Happy Thanksgiving. Yep. I hope you guys had a great time with your family. You were home. It went well. That you were staying safe. You were healthy. Obviously, I know this year was different, but hopefully you still had fun with your family and the ones closest to you without getting sick and with being safe and healthy. Also, to your left, you see President Trump pardoning Turkey. Started with President Bush, where a turkey would be pardoned by the US president every single year. So President Trump continued that tradition and pardoned corn. The other turkey was named Cobb. Get it? Corn on the cob. Yeah, it was funny. Thought it was funny too, a little bit. So there you go. He does the annual turkey pardon. He's done it for the past 3 years. President Obama, did it for the past 8, and then Bush did it for the 8, I believe, as well. So yeah. Moving on to our next story. So, there was no formal concession speech from Trump. Notice that the word formal is bolded because technically he conceded a little bit, it seems like. But he didn't actually create a speech and publicly, concede it. But when a reporter asked at a post-election press conference, the person asked, if the Electoral College certifies Joe Biden's win, will you leave office? And he said, yes, certainly I will. You know I would. So, and it seems like Joe Biden is certified as the winner. Yeah, it seems like he might eventually accept the fact that he did not. Also, people were making fun of him because, I'll take out my laser pointer, he's at this insanely small desk, and he was getting annoyed at a reporter, but people were making fun of him because he was like, you don't talk to me like that, I am the President of the United States. And then it's just this really small desk, and then people were making memes and thought it was very funny. So, I don't know. Anyways, moving on. The COVID-19 increase. Look, there's been a big increase in the amount of COVID cases today. Not today, sorry, just over the past couple days. So all I say is please stay safe, wear your mask, social distance. Please, I know masks can be very draining, and they can sometimes be hard to breathe, a little bit. But would you rather wear your mask for 6 weeks or have hundreds and thousands of people die from the virus? It's just crazy. So please stay safe. Make sure that you are safe this holiday season. That's why there's an increase because of Thanksgiving, because of Black Friday, people are going out, because of the holidays for Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, all of it. So please, all I ask is that you stay safe, do the right thing, be smart, please, 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 please. Safety is a big thing with everybody. So make sure that you are safe and that you stay safe during this pandemic. And wash your hands, and do all of that. Actually, you know what? Here's something I can show you. The 5 C's. The 5 C's? I don't know what it is. Hold on. So I don't actually know what it's called. I thought it was like 5 C's or something, but this is actually very important. This is 5 things to stay safe from COVID from Dr. Despina Kayakin. So the first thing that you need to do is wear a face covering. California issued a mandate. Some states are, some states aren't. And what I think the more safe thing to do would be just wear it wherever you go. Be smart. Continue to practice social distancing and make sure you maintain that 6 feet of distance. Also, wash your hands frequently every time before you cook, before you clean, before you go to the bathroom, before you eat. Just wash them just with soap and water for about 25-30 seconds. And make sure that you're washing your hands correctly. And if you can, get outside, because if you're outside, it's in the open air, so the coronavirus is not just contained in one area. It can go everywhere in the air, and there's less possibility that it would hit you. And then number 5, don't share food, drinks, or utensils. If you're getting together with your families or friends, even while you're outside staying 6 feet and wearing a mask, make sure that they have all their own plates, cups, utensils, and serving pieces, so we want to avoid cross-contamination. So, and again, that goes for the same with food and drinks. So please make sure you are staying safe and just do the right thing. All right. So now let me go back to this presentation. Topic of discussion number 4. This is a big one. The Mike Tyson versus Roy Jones Jr. and the Jake Paul versus Nate Robinson fight. This was funny. Oh my god. So, in the end, Jake Paul emerged victorious. That means he's defeated Deji, Gibb, and Nate Robinson. I think unless I'm missing someone, but those are the 3 main now that he's defeating. Austin McBroom might want to fight him. Conor McGregor, Jake's calling out. We'll go all through that, and we'll go through all of it in next week's episode. Excuse me. And it'll all be good. But I think I have a clip of Jake Paul's win. So hold on. Alright, so yeah, look at this. Watch this. I want you to just watch this clip. If you saw that, he completely destroyed Nate Robinson, punched him right in the face. That was a knockout completely. But it was insane. We can watch it again. Watch Jake Paul. Watch. You see that? That was insane. But big congrats to Jake Paul for that win. And then the Mike Tyson fight ended in a draw. With Mike Tyson and Roy Jones Jr., they both did really well. Everyone thought that Mike Tyson was going to take the W, but it ended up in a draw. And so I think everyone was pretty happy about that. Mike Tyson has a fantastic boxing record. And he's called Iron Mike because he is so powerful. Yes. Oh, look at that. We passed our 10-minute mark. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Welcome to the show after 10 minutes. This is new. Next up, I created a new YouTube series. If you saw by my latest video, it did fantastic. The views did great. And it is where I unboxed Mr. Beast merch. And here's what I want to do with that. I have merch coming my way. As I showed you in the Mr. Beast video, I have a Mr. Beast hat, a FaZe Clan hat, Roman Atwood shirt, Roman Atwood like bracelets. So those are 4 things right there. And then I have a sweatshirt of a sponsor that we're gonna get. We are gonna get sponsored. Let's go. But so right there, that's 4. So what I want to do is, and then I'm also like I'm gonna order more stuff. But what I want to do is I want to order more stuff, and then I want to upload twice a month some unboxing video, whenever that time may be. Obviously the things need to ship, but when it ships, I will upload it, and yeah. So that's what I want to do. So it'll be really, really fun. The series is great. You guys like it, and it is phenomenal. So yeah, make sure you go check it out. Link is in the description, or just go to my channel and look at the other video. It's called I Am Mr. Beast merch unboxing. Alright, and that is going to close out today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash that like button down below. I hope you enjoyed that intro. I hope you enjoyed today's show. And again, it was past 10 minutes. Thank you for watching to the end. And I cannot wait to be back in the groove of uploading news videos every Monday. It was nice to have like a month off. Actually, no. I kind of wanted like a week off, and that was it. And then time got away. So, but it's nice to be back. We're going to be back every Monday in December at, actually, is the thing, I want to upload earlier. So, we're going to upload starting at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 4 p.m. Pacific Time. But, yeah. Also, like I said, every Monday in the month of December, starting 7th, 14th, 21st, and 28th, there will be a new episode. And then we're going to like I said, we'll take some time off. We'll come back maybe end of January, start of February, possibly. And we'll have even more episodes because we have more time, and we're not starting in October. Instead, we're starting in February, so we have that whole year. So that means there will be more than just 10 episodes. But this first season was great, and it was awesome, and you guys are the best, and I cannot thank you enough. And please like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that great stuff. And I will see you all in the next episode, which will be premiering December 7th, 2020 at 7 p.m. Eastern Time and 4 p.m. Pacific Time. Alright. Thanks again, everybody, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.